Back to the year 2000. The global pharma industry was progressing at a full-fledged pace. Developments in the pharma world were manifold. That's exactly when Matrix foresaw an opportunity and forayed into production of bulk drugs. Matrix was set up in the suburbs of Hyderabad to contribute to the growth of the global pharmaceutical industry and advancements in healthcare. Prasad's dream, his passion, his entrepreneurial skills drove the growth in those initial years beyond expectations. Soon Matrix created its own niche space as a reliable supplier of innovative and cost-effective APIs in the international markets. In this short journey, Matrix acquired Medicorp, Warren Labs and Vera Labs to attain critical mass of portfolio as well as capacity. Matrix also took its first baby step in the space of finished dosage business through acquisition of its Nashik facility and Doc Pharma business in Belgium. Strategic relationships with Aspen in South Africa and MChem in China helped to consolidate its position in ARV space. Project Hope was Prasad's flagship project and was instrumental in getting the company international recognition in its fights against HIV and AIDS. Further alliances with Clinton Health Foundation, Unit Aid and other global agencies helped Matrix strengthen its position. Soon stepped in Mylan Inc., a leading US pharma major, to acquire 71% stake in Matrix, the biggest investment by any global pharma company in India till that time. Robert, the CEO of Mylan, at that time called it a slingshot. Matrix started a whole new transformational journey towards becoming a hub of the world for Mylan and consolidating its position as a leading API player as well as in the space of HIV.
Let me take you back to the early days of the Mylan Matrix Association. This was about the same time that I took over as the responsibility for the API business. It was exciting for us because we were looking forward to synergizing with Mylan and getting those volumes. But for our third-party customers, there were a lot of concerns. Okay, their biggest concern was, is this business going to continue? Is the support from Matrix going to continue? Or is all the capacity going to eventually go to Mylan? And luckily for us, we had a very clear direction from the top management that this was an important business and we wanted to keep this business. Okay, and we were going to continue to nurture this business. We were going to continue to support it. This came right from the top at Mylan. And with this confidence, we went to our customers and gave them that assurance that this business was important for us, it was going to continue. Looking back at the last 4 years, I feel that the next 4 years are bright, they're going to be positive, and we are going to continue to grow.
Right from day one, led the team from front and ensured collaborative approach and no silos in the teams. It was the winning spirit which brought out the best in the R&D, and we are proud to have built a very strong platform.
It was an explosion of growth on several fronts. The ramp up in the API capacity, FDF capacity, R&D expansion, as well as manpower growing from 2,000 to 6,000 was a story of one of its kind.
Operations have grown exponentially over the past 3 years, with the API capacity almost getting doubled. Nashik ramped up to 6 billion from 1 billion and R&D continues to expand. We were also successful to add two new facilities, one for FDF at Aurangabad and the other one at Vizag for API. Our people strength increased by 3 times with disproportionate increase in quality and regulatory teams. Along with the global team, we have created high quality standard global hub to cater products to various markets. This brief journey was tough, challenging, but still fun.
So Mylan's quest for institutionalization made us change the way that we used to work in the past. Matrix team has embraced the changes with open arms. We aligned and enhanced our internal controls, procedures, and protocols and processes, but we ensure that we don't lose the entrepreneurial side that we had.
Working as one team along with Morgantown and making the best use of our respective strengths has been the mantra behind the achievement of R&D. As one team, we shall continue to do our best in leveraging our complementing resources so as to create history. And for this, we at R&D absolutely take pride in being Mylan ambassadors.
Mylan also transformed Matrix into an institutional global company.
At Matrix, we passionately believe that we do things either the right way or not do it at all. To ensure this, we train our people and get them to adhere to the highest standards of ethics and integrity.
Yeah, I'm here at Mylan Matrix for last about 1 year. After I joined, I realized how important is quality and compliance in this company. And I've been working for so many years in so many other companies, innovator companies, generic company. It's absolutely a new experience for me in terms of quality and compliance. So, and also I was getting, tremendous support in terms of quality and compliance from top management. So it is not only a talk, it's tremendous commitment and support was coming from top management. So that's very, very important in my mind when we talk about quality and compliance.
Focus and passion is what comes to my mind when I think of what we have achieved in the ARV-FDF space. Just over the last 3 years, we have built a 250 million business from nothing. This initiative had a huge support from none other than our president, Heather Brush.
Post-acquisition by Mylan, Matrix continued to grow both in API and ARV businesses at around 40% CAGR, in addition to becoming a global hub for R&D and manufacturing for Mylan. Matrix team also seamlessly handled the transformation from an Indian to a multinational company while continuing to execute beyond expectations.
A decade later, Matrix boasts of 10 globally approved API facilities and 2 finished doses facilities in India and China, in addition to a state-of-the-art R&D facility housing with more than 700 scientists. Today, Matrix is a people-oriented, talent-driven, fully integrated pharma player with its strengths established in synthetic research process and development, FD development, a quality API provider on a global scale, catering to almost 1/3 population of the HIV patients in the developing countries, and a vertical integrated hub of the world for Mylan. To top it all, we believe that today, Matrix has become a seamlessly integrated part of Mylan by embracing quality-driven mindset and institutional nature. They say like-minded cultures hardly need any integration, and we can say today that we are now one company, that is Mylan.
In the beginning of Matrix journey, Prasad's dream and passion drove the build-up of Matrix at a breathtaking speed and helped us create a strong foundation. Whereas Robert's belief in Matrix team and Heather's unflinching support propelled us to transform the company into a true global integrated player over the last couple of years. Almost every aspect of this organization has undergone a change and has been transformed, be its business, operations, its outlook towards various processes. But in this journey, we never lost the core of our work ethics: integrity, passion, focus, and the drive. This would not have been possible but for this great team, and I'm so proud of being part of this. Also, this is not the end but the beginning of a new journey for this team. Our roadmap for the next few years is clearly defined, and this hub of the world for Mylan needs to continue to deliver the way they have always delivered.